Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a product to your wish list on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Now for that, it's a very easy method. Simply go ahead, open up your Temu app or Temu website on your browser. Once you have accessed, you have this card option right over here anyways. But if you have been wondering whether you have a little option of wish list where you can create yourself a wish list like Amazon, shopping app, or the browser, apparently you cannot seem to find that wish list option right over here. But for some reason, some people do have this little wish list icon, which is little heart icon, when you can simply go to the product that you wish to buy. For example, these markers I would like to simply picture is the set up the markers, and I would have that product over here, and I will have this little icon of heart on top section for me to simply tap on it, which will automatically put the product on my wish list. Otherwise, I will only have the option of add to cart. Simply, I'll gotta add this product to my cart, and I will be able to purchase it when I want to. Other than that, you cannot do anything. It just simply somehow you will be able to access it somewhere. Right now, as you can see, I do not have that option for me to add it to the wish list. If you have got that, tap on the red heart icon. When it's red in the color, that means it has been added, and you will also be able to find that list on your profile right away as well. That's basically how it goes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.